out. Pink polos, I hurt the rock. Before Cam got the shit to pop, the doors is closed. I felt like Bad Boy Street.
Y'all see the title. This is no bleach, no bald cap, and no plucking. Stay tuned. So today's video is sponsored by WestKissHair. I'm going to show you guys how I put on this glueless unit. I forgot to say that too, but it's glueless. So they did send over a HD wig cap. They sent over a bonnet, which I love bonnets. You know, you can never go wrong with a bonnet. Some cute lashes, a wig band, an edge brush, and of course we got our dust bag in there as well. This box is really good and sturdy, so you could keep it. So look how the lace comes already. It's already pre-cut and it's already pre-bleached, so you guys really don't have to do much. Well, you could add makeup and stuff to the lace because it's not too much pre-bleach, but it is a strapless unit. So I'm gonna show you guys how I put it on. Y'all see I just have my braids to the back looking like Trey Songz back in the day, and I didn't even have to put a ball cap on there. Y'all see already it's just on my head. Look, it's on there. It's a little piece like I could have still cut, because I did cut off more of the lace just because I didn't want it to be too much like excess lace on there, but you could go without cutting it. So right now I am going in with my Tresemme. It is some holding spray, and I just went ahead and sprayed that on the lace, and now I'm about to actually go ahead and put my lace band on there so it could stick and dry underneath, and this could be good. I feel like with the Tresemme holding spray you could keep it on there for like a day or two, but I change my hair out so much, and then I don't be liking to sleep with my wigs on when they're not glueless. I mean when they're glueless, so I just like to put a little bit to hold it down for a little bit. So I noticed I did not get the edges, so that's why I'm about to go in now and just make sure I spray that down so my hair could be looking good, y'all, and y'all gonna see it's gonna look good. I didn't want to bore you guys too much with my talking, but right now I do like to spray like spritz, holding spray or whatever, and then like to hot comb it back. That do keep the hair slick in place. I used to use like edge control or whatever, and yeah, it would lift or give the hair greasy, like, so yeah, doing it with this method, it does just keep it in place. If you use a wax stick, you could go over with the hot comb as well, just to make sure it does flatten down and just slick back as well. So yeah, that's why I just wanted to let y'all know what I was doing, so y'all be like, girl, what are you doing right now? But yeah, that's what I was doing. When it comes to curly hair or deep wave, this Tresemme curl mousse is the best. When I tell you, you just have to put this on like once or twice a day and go on about your day. You do not have to keep putting this on your hair. You could literally get away with putting it on once a day. Like, only reason why I'm saying twice is like, say if you're going out later and you just want to touch it up a little bit more, you could put more, but this is the truth. Right now I'm about to show you guys how it looked when I put some on one side and then how the other side looks dry. So y'all see it, give it that wet look without having to actually wet the hair, so you don't have to worry about keep wetting your hair. You could just put this mousse on there and it stays in place. The hair did look good dry too, but look how them curls is more defined with that mousse on there. Like, look at this, y'all. Look at it. Look at the difference. Y'all see? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So yeah, when it dried, it's still cute too, but like I said, when you use that Tresemme, baby, when it dry, it's still gonna look how that wet look dry. Like, it's still gonna look down. It's not gonna be super puffed out, like, unless you pick it out or like, you know, comb it out and make it bigger. But yeah, for the most part, okay, that's enough of me. Sorry, let me get back to letting y'all watch the video. So this is the end result, you guys. I love this hair from WestKiss. It is so cute. I got so many compliments on this hair. Look how that lace look, and I did not do anything to it, y'all, at all. But I would suggest putting like makeup on the lace underneath it before putting it on, just so it could give that more super natural. But yeah, I didn't do anything to it. I just put this on my head. This is a beginner friendly, easy get up and go. Everything will be listed down in the description box below, so make sure you shop with WestKiss and get your unit. Y'all know your cap size. Mine is a medium because I got a big head. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and have a nice day, y'all.